Now all of you see this one, question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. The total cost of production on that day was rupees 90. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Do you understand the question?
6.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles. Pottery articles means what? That means what? What do you mean pottery articles?
Pottery. Sir, pottery মানে জানো?
কি হয়?
কলহ।
Yes, মাটিৰ বাচন বুলি যে কওঁ যে আমি।
Yeah.
মাটিৰ বাচন বুলি যে কওঁ। এই যে তোমাৰ এইবিলাক। Now all of you see question number 6. So a cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. It was same as that question. Yesterday we solved one question. So write down. Let the number of articles produced. Let the number of articles produced equal to x. Let the number of articles produced equal to x. Write down. Let the
number of articles produced
be x. Now see, cost of the article, see this one. It was observed in a particular that the cost of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. So what is the cost of each article? So cost of each article will be, see this one, 3 more than twice the number of article. That means twice the number of article and 3 more than twice the number of article. So it will be the cost of each article. You understood, all of you? 3 more than twice the number of article produced on each day. So it will be rupees 3 plus 2x. All of you have understood? Yes or no? Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see this one. If the total cost of production on that day was 90. Now see, this is the number of article and this is the cost of each article. So what is the cost of total this one? What is the cost of each article? Total article. This is the total number.
X into.
Yes, x into 3 plus 2x. Yes or no? Now see,
X,
this is the
yes.
This is the number of articles produced on that day. That x number of articles are produced, and cost of each article is this one. So what will be the total cost of the articles? That is the total number of articles produced on that day. So it will be number of articles into cost of one article. Suppose take one example. Suppose 10 numbers of articles are there, and cost of each article is ₹5. So what will be the total cost of the 10 articles? 10 into 5, 50. Yes or no? So in the same way, write down. Total cost of production. Total cost of production total cost of production on that day. So it will be rupees x into 3 plus 2x. And according to question, this is given product of the that means total cost is given. How much? Total cost is given. How much?
90.
90. So I don't, according to question, x plus 3 plus 2x, it is equal to 90. Now it will be 3x plus 2x square equal to 90. Now see, 3x plus 2x square minus 90 equal to 0. Or you can write 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Now break 90. 2 45 is 90, 3 15 is 45, 5 3 is 15. Now we need 3. You have to break 3 such that the product will be minus 90. Now
Sir.
see, yes, tell me.
Sir, minus 180 hoy.
How can we minus 180?
Sir, 19 to 2.
90 into 2. Where? This one? No. According to question, it is
No.
90, no?
No, sir. Tolot factorization.
Yes. 1 minute. 240. Yeah, it will be 90. Yes, it will be, yes. It will be 180. Yes. Good. Very good. Now see, it will be 90 and 2. Yes or no? That means the product is A and C. So it will be 2 and 90. So it will be 180. So you have to factorize 180. 290, 245, 315, 5, 3. Now we need 3, yes or no? We need 3. That means you have to break 3 such that the product will be 90. Sorry, minus 90. Now see, this one 15 and 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. Now if you subtract 12 from 15, your result will be 3. Yes or no? If you subtract 12 from 15, the result will be 3 and product will be 180. Clear, all of you? 15 into minus 12.
Yes.
So it will be minus 180. The product is minus 180, no? Minus 90 into 2, so minus 180. So this one, 2x square plus it will be 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Now do one thing. Write down minus 12 first. Why? Because to take common, you have to write down minus 12 here. Then 15x minus 90 equal to 0. Now here take 2x common, so it will be x minus 6. Here take 15 common, it will be x. 15 6 is 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it will be this one. Okay. Can I proceed to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see this one. So when you write down this one, it will be 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So from here, 2x plus 15 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So it will be 2x equal to minus 15. So x will be minus 15 by 2 or x will be plus 6. But see, now see, x is the what? We have to calculate the final number of article produced and cost of each article. Now see, x is the number of article produced. Yes or no? X is the number of article produced. So number of article produced cannot be negative. Yes or no? So x cannot be minus 15 by 2. So write down, since the number of article produced cannot be negative, so x cannot be equal to minus 15 by 2. So x cannot be equal to minus 15 by 2. So hence we have x equal to 6. Therefore, number of article produced will be 6. Now this is the number of articles produced. Now again you have to find the cost of each article. Now what is the cost of each article? This one 3 plus 2x, rupees 3 plus 2x, yes or no? So put the value
Yes.
and cost of each article will be rupees 3 plus 2 into 6. So it will be 3 plus 12. So it will be rupees how much? 15. Yes or no? So this is the number of article produced is 6 and cost of each article is your rupees 15. Clear? Clear all of you?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So all of you will end the class here, and again we'll start the next topic, that means solution of a quadratic equation by completing square tomorrow. Okay. So, thank you.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.